So I think in our news, we have this audience that needs to know about the information first and then impacts. So when we inform them about extreme weather or even the problem with the oceans that's warming and that we have some impacts in our country, we have to use examples. And I think it's the best way to communicate with them because then they can see that it's near them, not so far away, and they can use this information to prevent new events and try to be aware of what's happening. So I think it's just examples and talking about the impacts. For us, I think it's the floods, and also we have lots of warm weather in places we didn't before, but floods are our main problem. I live in South Brazil, and in South Brazil we had many problems 2 years ago and the year before. So that's our main issue right now that we're trying to face and trying with government and private sections, trying to work together so we can prevent something happening like that in the future. So I try to give a positive side every time I talk about climate change, although it's such an urgent matter and although it's something that we have to be worried about. But I don't think that if we address the problem in warning, making people scared, it just makes them not get interested in the subject. So I try to be positive and show what they can do. So us as weather presenters, we can inform and also show them it's time to action. So you can do small things and think about the planet as a whole, but doing small things you can do, and we can change realities. So it's not something that we can't do about it. So I try to always look at the bright side of the matter.